What's up, guys? Merry Christmas. I hope you got great presents and enjoyed time with your families. This is not my Christmas present. I will review my Christmas presents at DCC Train Model Train channel. A link will be in description in a comment. It's a lot of stuff, but this is related because in my business I'm using that tool every day. So this is new, replacing for Dremel Micro. So what's happened after 10 years, it's great unit. It recently, about 4 or 5 months ago, the charging stopped working. The battery completely discharged and it's just like a tool sitting on that charger stand. I fixed it using a good company like it. Just small, cheap, $12 with shipping, I believe, something like this. This is the model number for that microcontroller responsible for charging, and it's good now. And I replaced the battery, maybe old battery causing the issue, but it just like something happened with it. So I like that model a lot. It's not balanced as the new one, and this is made in Mexico, I believe, right? Yes, and this is made in China, but not happy with this. Usually it just starts with that RPM, so you need to always going a little bit low. But still great. Light is very useful feature. Yeah. So now it's fully charged and working great. I like about this model, it's definitely heavier. I thought it will be smaller. If Lowe's, guys, I don't have affiliation with the company, but put it on display, you will increase sales, because I try to look at it, like test it and see how it's working. I don't have a chance to look at it, means it's not available. So I ordered Amazon, don't have any affiliation with Amazon, but this is great. Balance, great. Also, it's starting with that RPM, but you can immediately increase it, with just using your just one hand even working, no problem. Showing you charging here, and it's coming with small box, charging cable, and those accessories and that range. I put my chalk. This is historical. Yeah, it's probably like more than 15 years old from different drill. And I have another drill on wire, but I'm using like for heavy stuff. So this is like perfect model 8150. I really recommend it. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.